What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the MCC Body Shop channel on another episode. And today we got this 2008 Bmw 335Xi. Yeah, this is the turbo one. This car, we did it for a customer last week. We replaced the hood, the front bumper, the radiator support. It got like a little damage on the front. And I was gonna buy the passenger headlight, but that headlight itself aftermarket was like 160, 170, and I was able to work with the customer out, and I found two brand new ones, better looking than those one, for $180. So I went ahead and bought them. So we already got them here in the shop. I told the customer to bring the car back, and now we just gonna go ahead and install it. So I just want to shoot a video for you guys to just enjoy it, see the before and after. I got some pictures of the damage, so later on the video I'm going to be posting it. So like I always said, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, share it, and thank you for everything. So let's just go ahead, put this headlights on and work on the car. Let's go. So we got the box over here. Just gonna put them out over here. And this is actually, let me just put it over here on the bench. This is actually the headlights we're just gonna put in. They're a little bit tinted. Got the halos. Got like a 9 running light over here on the top. And so we're just gonna be installing those one. They're pretty easy. They got the factory plug, so it should be a plug and play, but they also have the halos cable, so we have to do a wiring for that. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead, remove the front bumper and install the headlights. Okay guys, let me show you how to take this headlights out. Pretty easy. Got behind here, got two bolts over there, one here on the top, one here on the top, and that's pretty much it. But over here behind the fender, let me see if I can get the camera right here. It's a bolt. So that was pre-loose. This headlights are all broken, so that was easy. But if you're taking your headlights out, you gotta watch for that one. If not, the headlight's not coming out. It's right behind the fender. You just kind of like push the fender liner and just unscrew this over there, and that's pretty much. I'll just take this one out. One, got those. And then we got the ones behind here. Just clip this. There we go. So that's it. So just pull the headlight out. Then the plug, just kind of like push it on this end, and then on this other end just push it. You see how the clip's open, and you're just gonna like pull it out. Got that one done. And then now this little hole for the washers, just a clip, you just push it up. You see, remove it, and that's it. And there you go. We got the headlight out. Just put the clip back on. And that's it. So now you just have to take this this bracket is mounted to the headlight. So we're gonna need this bracket because the headlight don't come with that. So I'm just gonna take out this one. Nothing should be another one over here. Just wanna take that out. One. And two. And that's it. Easy enough, huh? Now let's just get other headlight. Put it in the box. I'm just gonna use this same box. Don't want to scratch the headlight. This headlight already come with the clips to hold the bracket in place. So we're just gonna go ahead, put it on. Okay, so we got both headlights already with the bracket for the bumper, but I just want to show you like the difference between this headlight and this one. This one looks pretty nice. There you go. So now we're just gonna go and start working on the wiring for the halos and stuff. So I noticed that the factory ones got some halos, so I have to figure out in the plug, this one over here, I have to figure out which one controls the halo, so that way we can have it as with the factory wiring. So I guess gonna get my meter and figure it out, or I can just Google it too. Either one is gonna work, so I'll figure that out. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so there we go. This one is on. It's like almost like the parking lamp is on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the red wires to this white wire, which is the one with the top. We want the halos to turn on with this one's when it's like parking. That way everything is gonna light up at the same time. So we're just gonna head and just do that. I just really don't want to go into like the factory wiring. I prefer just keep it over here in the headlight section. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go ahead and do that. And then just to show you, I'm gonna connect the old one, so you're gonna see this halos actually work with the same parking lamp as the new one. It's just this one we're just gonna add the the top light. So this halos are gonna work like this one. So me connecting the red wires to the white over here, just gonna work the same way factory ones work. So I'm not doing nothing crazy. Don't think I'm doing something stupid. We just with this one, we're just gonna add that top light. So for some reason, the manufacturer of this headlight, they decide to do the halo wiring different instead of do everything plug and play. I don't know why, but that's what we're gonna do. So let's go. So I bought this on Ace Hardware, tab splice. This thing works pretty good for like quick connections. I don't want to like splice it in half and have to tape it up and stuff. Let me just, you see, you're just gonna kind of like open it a little bit, and you put your 2 wires over there, and you kind of like splice it in, and this is gonna actually connect the 2 wires. It's gonna kind of like cut it in between the insulation and make the contact metal to metal. This is easy. I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Just gonna put this one in here. The black is gonna go with the white. Do a connection. Splice it. And then you just, that's it. Grab another one. Do the same thing with the black. Do the ground. I pull all 3 cables together and then just put it inside there. And then just splice it. Put a tap on. And just connect the headlights. Put them over here. Just hold the camera. Just gonna connect it. And voila. There we go. We got our halos on. The thing looks nice. Oh, there you go, guys. Everything is working out. We're gonna go ahead and do the right side headlight also, and finish this up. So Okay guys, here we go. We are done. This thing's looking good. Let's go ahead, turn them on. You guys can see. Yeah, baby. Thing looks nice. That's that. Turn the it's on the Husser. Oh, there we go. With the Husser art on. And there we go, guys. Last product. Looking good. Hopefully the customer likes it. Tomorrow morning he should be coming picking it up. So, like I always said, subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share it. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you on the next one.